Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are doing chicken wings in 3 different flavors. We have the spicy Caesar, we have a maple barbecue, and then also a dry version, and it is the lemon pepper wings. So of course you'll need chicken wings, and I got these from Costco because they're all split up for you and I just washed them. You'll need any barbecue sauce, any maple syrup, a Caesar dressing, and for the lemon pepper, I use this lemon pepper seasoning right here, some Parmesan, and some Tabasco sauce. So you're going to take the wings and I'm going to put it into this flour mixture here. I'm just adding salt and pepper to it just to give it a little bit extra flavor. And then I'm just preparing my oil. I use the vegetable oil. Just make sure the temperature is nice and hot before you put in your wings. Don't forget to pull out your chicken wings about half an hour before you fry them. So you're going to try and coat the wings as evenly as possible, and then you're going to dust off all that extra flour. And I made sure my oil was hot. I used a wooden chopstick just to see the bubbles coming up, and that they were ready now. So now I'm just going to coat, and then I'm going to put them in the oil. Make sure you don't overcrowd the wings, and if you want them extra crispy, make sure you take it out, let it sit for a few minutes, and then you're going to double fry it, and it makes a big difference if you want them extra crispy. So the first sauce we're doing is the Caesar, and some places, one place in particular that we really like to go to, they call it the Bloody Caesar. So it is just Caesar dressing, and then you are going to sprinkle some Parmesan over top and then add Tabasco sauce. The second flavor we are doing is the maple barbecue, and I like to make my mixture first so that I get it exactly how I like it. I like it a little bit more on the sweeter side, so I do put a little bit more maple syrup, and then I'm just going to toss the wings in it nice and evenly. You'll see at the end that I do put a little bit of dressing, like Caesar dressing, on some of this because I kind of like a little bit of a sweet and salty. I forgot to film the lemon pepper wings, so I'm just going to tell you guys how to do that part. All it is just once the chicken wings come out of the oil, you're just going to toss it in the seasoning, and try not to put too much. You're going to sprinkle in a good amount, but then test it first before you add more, because I do find it a little saltier. But if you put the right amount, it comes out so good. You get like the perfect amount of sourness, the tardiness from that, and they weren't soggy because they are a dry rub seasoning. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give the video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.